Minna no Nihongo, Lesson 24, Part 1. Kuremasu give me. Chotto tetsudatte kuremasen ka? Excuse me, could you help me out? Naoshimasu. Repair, correct. Reporto o kaki naoshimasu. To rewrite a report. Surete ikimasu. Take someone. Inu o sanpo ni surete ikimasu. I am taking my dog on a walk with me. Surete kimasu. Bring someone. Tomodachi o ie ni surete kimashita. I bring my friend to my home. Okurimasu. Hito o okurimasu. Escort someone, go with. Kuni e kairu ryugakusei o kuko made okurimasu. We escorted the exchange students who were returning home to the airport. Shoukai shimasu. Introduce. Tomodachi ga ii sensei o shoukai shite kureta. My friend introduced me to a good teacher. Annai shimasu. Show around, show the way. Kanojo wa ie o annai shite kureta. She showed us around her house. Setsume shimasu. Explain. Kono shorui ni suite setsume shimasu. I will explain regarding the documents. Grammar point 1. Kuremasu. The word agemasu give, which was taught in lesson 7, cannot be used to talk about someone else giving something to the speaker or a member of his or her family. In that case, the word kuremasu is used. For example, Sato-san wa watashi ni kurisumasu kado o kuremashita. Miss Sato gave me a Christmas card. Grammar point 2. Verb te form agemasu, kuremasu, moraimasu. Agemasu, moraimasu and kuremasu refer to the giving and receiving of things, while te agemasu, te moraimasu and te kuremasu are used to denote that an action confers some kind of profit or benefit on the recipient. In this, the first point is verb te form agemasu. The pattern verb te form agemasu is used when the person doing the action is taken as the subject. It shows that the action confers some kind of profit or benefit on the recipient. For example, watashi wa Kimura-san ni hon o kashite agemashita. I lent Miss Kimura a book. Because the te agemasu pattern denotes the conferral of some kind of profit or benefit, it could sound patronizing if used when the recipient is of higher status than the person conferring the profit or benefit. It is better in this case to use the pattern verb mas form mashouka. For example, Takushi o yobimashou ka? Shall I call a cab? Second point is te form moraimasu. For example, watashi wa Yamada-san ni toshokan no tenwa bango o oshiete moraimashita. Mr. Yamada told me the telephone number of the library. This shows that the speaker feels that the person for whom the action was performed who is taken as the subject of this sentence has received some profit or benefit from the action. When the subject is watashi, it is usually omitted. Third point is verb te form kuremasu. Example, Haha wa watashi ni seta o okutte kuremashita. My mother sent me a sweater. Here, the person performing the action is taken as the subject, and the form shows that the speaker feels that the person for whom the action was performed has benefited from the action. When the person benefiting from the action marked by the particle ni is watashi, it is usually omitted. In a sentence using te agemasu or te kuremasu, the particle that marks the person receiving the benefit is the same as in an equivalent sentence that does not use te agemasu or te kuremasu. Example, watashi ni ryoko no shashin o misemasu. Changes to watashi ni ryoko no shashin o misete kuremasu. He shows me the photos taken during the travel. Example 2. Watashi o Osaka jo e surete ikimasu. Changes to watashi o Osaka jo e surete itte kuremasu. He takes me to Osaka Castle.